Good morning students, my name is Shalini. I am from GK Jain School. Today we are going to see 5th Standard Science Unit 3 Energy. Yesterday we have seen about the conservation of energy. So what is the conservation of energy? Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It is transferred from one form to another form, or we can also say it is transferred from one object to another object. Example we have seen about the water in dam. So water in dam possesses potential energy. Then when the water flows from the dam, the kinetic energy is produced. So the kinetic energy of the water when it moves, it rotates the turbine. Then from the turbine, the electrical energy is produced. So if you see here, from potential energy, it is transferred to kinetic energy, then it transferred to electrical energy. So it is energy transfer from one form to another form, or from one energy to another energy. So here the source is water. From water we are getting electricity. Then we have seen about the electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy in fan, then light energy in bulb, then sound energy in computer. So the electrical energy is converted into sound energy in computer. Then we have seen about driving a car. As we saw earlier, the fuel, petrol or diesel contain chemical energy. So the chemical energy is converted into heat energy when the heat energy is transformed to mechanical energy. When burning a fuel, the piston is released in the engine and it makes the vehicle to move. So here the heat energy is converted to mechanical energy. So today we are going to see some sample questions. Shall we start the class? So we'll see questions. First question. When diesel is burned, chemical energy is converted into A. Wind energy, B. Heat energy, C. Solar energy, D. Sound energy. So the diesel is burnt and chemical energy is produced, and that chemical energy is converted into what? It is converted into heat energy. B. Heat energy. Then the second question. Plants use dash energy to synthesize their food. A. Heat, light, C. Chemical. So the plant uses what energy? It uses light energy. So the plant uses light energy and synthesize their food. The answer is B. Light. The third one, running water possesses potential energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy and sound energy. As we saw earlier, in dam the water is not running. It is stored in dam. So their potential energy is present. Whereas when the dam opens and the water flows, then it's a kinetic energy. So running water process, kinetic energy, C. Kinetic energy. Then fourth one, unit of energy is kilogram, Newton, Kelvin or Joule. It is, answer is D. Joule. Fifth one, which one of the following requires wind energy? Wind energy, which requires among this A, B, C, which requires wind energy? Bicycle, photosynthesis, parachute or automobiles? It is parachute. Answer is C. Parachute. Then here, water and dam possess, sixth one, water and dam possess A. Potential energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy or sound energy. It is potential energy because water in dam is stored there. It's not moving. So it is A. Potential energy. In seventh one, an apple falling from a tree is an example for kinetic energy. True or false? So an apple is not staying in the tree. It is falling from the tree. So a movement takes place there. So it is an example of kinetic energy. It is true. If the apple is not falling and if it is staying in the tree, then there will be potential energy. It will not be a kinetic energy. So here they are telling the apple is falling from the tree. So here it is an example of kinetic energy. So the answer is true. Eighth one, electrical energy is converted to dash energy in fan. Mechanical, light, sound or heat. So it is a mechanical energy. So electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy in the fan. The fan rotates when we on the switch. So on-ing process is what? Electrical energy, right? So when we on the switch, the electrical energy is converted to a mechanical energy in the fan. Then ninth one, electrical energy is converted to dash energy in bulb. So when we on the switch, the bulb will glow as light, produces light. So the answer here is mechanical, light, sound or heat. It is light. B, answer is light. Then 10th one, potential energy and heat energy are the two forms of mechanical energy. Potential energy and heat energy are the two forms of mechanical energy. True or false? It is false. Why it is false? The two types of mechanical energy are potential energy and kinetic energy. It is not heat energy. So it is false. 11th one, with the help of light energy, our skin is enabled to synthesize vitamin A, B, C or D. So early morning, if you go and stand in the sunlight, okay, when the sunlight falls on your skin, okay, on your body, what vitamin will be? You will get vitamin D. It is good for your skin and your body. So it is vitamin D. 12th one, movement of electron in the objects cause an energy called dash energy. Wind, electric, light or mechanical. So movement of electrons is called electric energy. The answer is B. 13th one, energy possessed by an object which is at rest. As I said earlier, if it is in rest, water is rest in the dam, an apple is rest in the tree, then there it possesses a potential energy. If the object is not at rest and if it is moving, then we have kinetic energy. But here the object is at rest, so it is C, potential energy. 14th one, light travels at a speed of A, 2 lakhs kilometer per second, 1 lakh kilometer per second or 3 lakhs kilometer per second. It is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. 15th one, dash energy of the hammer is used to apply a force on a nail. Light, wind, mechanical or heat. It is mechanical energy which is applied on the hammer to force a nail on a wall. 15th one answer is C, mechanical. 16th one, when the temperature of a substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy known as dash energy. So when the temperature of a substance, example we saw about the ice cubes. When we are taking an ice cube, it gets melt. So it is converted there from ice cube to liquid forms or transforming from cold to heat. So here it is mechanical, light, sound or heat. It is a heat energy. Answer is D, heat energy. 17th one, a rock on the top of the hill possesses dash energy, potential, chemical, kinetic or sound. A rock is not moving, it is resting in the top of the hill. So the resting means it is a potential energy, a potential energy. Television, washing machine and refrigerator, etc. So for running a fan, light, television, washing machine, refrigerator, we need electricity. So we need electric energy. So the answer is true. So you can contact our school site by visiting www.gkjainschool.org and visit our Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter, GK Jain Schools. Admission is going on for pre-KG to 11th standard. There is only limited seat. So you can contact us by number 7338939363. Thank you students. I'll see you in another session.